How to return a parcel in Amazon. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to return a parcel on Amazon. On the Amazon shopping app, first, open the app and select Orders from the menu. Then, find and select the completed order you want to return. Next, scroll down to the section Need help with your item. Here, select Return Item. Note that some items cannot be returned or replaced, so you might not see this option. To learn more about the returns policy, select the link provided. After that, enter the reason for the return and provide additional details if needed. You can also add more items to the same return. Then select Continue. Choose the refund method under How can we make it right and select Continue again. Finally, choose the pickup address, date, and time. Your return pickup will then be scheduled. On the Amazon website, first, go to the top menu bar and select Returns and Orders. Then scroll to find and select the item you want to return. Next, select Return and enter the reason for the return and additional details. After that, select Continue. Choose the refund method under How can we make it right and click Continue. Finally, select the pickup address, date, and time. Confirm your return to schedule the pickup. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.